A couple of nights ago, I stumbled upon something that was so delicious, I have to share it. Started out with some hickory infused grapeseed oil. Then added a generous amount of raw cashews and some sliced almonds. These happen to be honey roasted. To this, I'm going to add some red rice. All out of that, I'm going to add a little bit of organic brown rice. Next up will be some chopped organic tempeh and some cubed organic polenta. Tempeh is going to go in next with the polenta, corn mash. And I'm going to simmer that for a little while and then add teriyaki, soyaki for flavoring. While that stuff's warming up, I'm going to chop up some organic spinach, some yellow squash, homegrown organic, and prepare avocado. That food is sizzling over there. It smells delicious. I'm going to add the yellow squash to what's cooking and then hold back the avocado and the spinach and just simmer that in at a really low heat at the end to preserve the nutrients. We're playing with fire now. Here goes the yellow squash. I want the soyaki to really cook into the corn and the tempeh and the rice. Pretty good amount of that will make it taste great. What we have here is 100% plant-based food, of course, and exceptionally high in relatively healthy fats. So this is really a comfort food, definitely not a weight loss meal going on here. It's time to back this down to a simmer. Next, the avocado goes in, and freshly chopped spinach. This will sit just a few minutes on low heat. Put a little bit of salt on it. We've got something very fatty, salty, and sweet. I was looking for something special for my wife after a long day, and she's getting ready to go to a swim meet where the temperatures are going to be cold. So I thought something high in fat and comfort would be good, along with lots of spinach and almonds for a high iron content. The last thing she needs is any anemia. And the surprise was after she tasted it, she said it tasted like bacon. So I don't know if that had something to do with the hickory flavored grapeseed oil, but it is absolutely delicious. So for somebody who's only recently converted to a mostly vegan diet, to say that this tasted like bacon, boy, that was quite the compliment. Of course, anybody who's followed my videos knows that I'm sticking to a 100% plant-based diet, and anything that can encourage people to eat less pigs, less bacon is a good thing. So give this a taste test. Wonderful.